What's the meaning of convolution? Convolution. Convolution.
Convolution. Convolution. Convolution is a mathematical operation that combines two functions to produce a third function. In the context of signal processing, it involves the integration of two signals by multiplying and shifting one signal over the other. The resulting output signal provides information about how the input signals are related to each other in both time and frequency domains. Convolution is widely used in many fields, including image and audio processing, computer graphics, and machine learning. It is a fundamental concept for understanding signal analysis and is critical to the design of many advanced algorithms.